open these. We're going to use the Barbie colors. I don't know what to say. We're so excited. Can you help me? Is it time to open the lid now?
Yep.
Let's get it open. Well, that was good talking. You're Tristan. You go on, Tristan. You gotta do the Barbie first, Mommy. That's what they saw they did the Barbie first. Auntie, can you help me open it? You twist it. No, I can't. Look, Mommy, you just twist it off. That's a bottle. Bring your bring. Oh, it's up. I got Auntie. How are we supposed to get you out? I don't know how we're supposed to get these out. Oh, here are the instructions. Oh, these are the collector and the construction. These are the collector's guide. Well, they call it the collector guide. Look at my pink Barbie. Yeah, maybe we should do these first. Yeah, we'll do the Barbie first. Lucky, we'll go get some water. We'll do our Barbie first, Mommy. Mommy, can you hand me that? We're going to do our Barbie first. That's our first thing you can do for your Barbie. Oh, and don't get about the way. Mama, you need to do them. Here, Mommy, do it. No. Okay, you want to do the line. Remember, the line was right there. Where? Right here. Okay. Remember to feel it. Would you watch us? Remember, it needs to be white to this line.
Oh, maybe we should use sink water.
Shoot.
There, Gigi.
Let's fill it up in the sink. It'll be faster.
No, don't put it in. It says you have to have hot water.
We did cold water.
Let me get.
We're back with hot water. Are you ready to see? Here we go. Whoa. Oh. They actually just.
Yep. Go ahead and drop them in, I think.
Whoa.
Whoa, look at that.
Whoa. Hold on. Put the lid on. Now shake it up. No, Mom. I can't do this.
Here's it.
I can't do this. It's too hot. It's actually sticky, of course.
We'll leave it there for a minute.
Oh, I see her tie. Look, Gigi. Can I open it? Oh, wow, you can't. Let's.
Hold on.
Whoa,
Keep it
sorry.
there for a minute, Miss Cheryl.
Yep, go ahead and shake them up real good.
Now?
Not yet. Hold on.
Oh. Who did I get? Who did I get? Oh, I think I'm getting the water. Oh, no. Oh, we're going on the table.
It's okay.
Whoa, what do we do? Are we ready?
So now it says, open up your, oh yeah, it did say take it out. Hold on. Let me get you a little towel.
Yeah.
Let it sit there for a second. Let me get a little towel.
Okay, let's just open our bottle bag. Okay, can you watch us do that, Daddy?
Of course.
Okay. First, let's start. I'm going to start my big one.
What's the name of this toy?
It's a Barbie reveal.
Barbie reveal.
Barbie Color Reveal.
Oh, whoa.
Oh, and the hair is supposed to be scented.
Pizza girl. Let's see what I did. Oh my God, boots.
All right, let me zoom in on Gigi's.
I got golden boots.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
To take her out?
Yeah.
Hey, grab her hand.
Whoa.
Ta-da.
A pizza girl.
A pizza girl.
Good. I got the taco
Oh, she
girl.
does have a pizza
I got the
swimsuit
taco
on.
girl. Well, see, now I did her. Mom.
She matches your dress.
Yeah. I got the taco girl.
Let me see.
How is having tacos? Oh, wait. The taco girl? Mom, she go to you wanted. Mom, you get that.
Okay, let me see yours,
I
Simone.
know. all of them.
Roxy, let me see your Barbie.
Okay. I'm so sorry. Do you know them hair can color change? Yeah, where did you got
Their
the
hair
water?
can color
we
change.
need water.
Cold water.
Hey,
All right, Roxy, you're up. Let's see what you got.
Stop. Yes, I did get the taco girl.
Show her to the camera.
I got the taco girl, people. Tango, some cold water for the punch.
yes.
Wait, look. Look at her hair. Please, can you stop now, Barbie? You're peeing everywhere. We're talking about this. Thank you for stopping. Oh, they got a purple star one. Are you ready? Yeah. Oh, I need ice cube. Mine is in
There's
here.
some ice cubes that make your water really cold.
Can we dip them in now?
Now it says, see?
Hot,
Hot, and then cold it'll
also
shrink.
makeup. This also reveal makeup. Look. It changed her eyebrow a little more different. Oh, it's yellow cheek powder.
Can I try?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, do her face, Gigi.
They also reveal makeup. That what they also do. They also reveal makeup. Nothing happening. Don't get her too wet. Oh, I get pinkish. Oh yes, what is? Oh.
Dip her head in there.
Oh wow.
Keep it down there.
I got my pink.
Whoa, look. Her head's changing color.
Oh wow.
Let me see yours, Roxy.
Pink, light pinkish. Okay, can I get a towel to dry her, please? Let's see if I put her face in. I put her face in.
Get makeup?
Yep, pink lipstick.
Let me
of
see.
course.
Of course, pink.
Now her cheeks. How about her
I
eyebrows?
think it just does up top. I don't think it does in the back.
And make her eyebrows a little more, I think.
Yeah, see, just up here.
Okay, now can I get a towel for her? Her need to dry out from
Look
swimming.
at that lipstick.
Mommy?
Show Daddy that lipstick.
Let's see it. Whoa.
Mommy, can you get a towel for her?
Right
Her
here.
tired from gym, her tired from swimming. Trying to do the video.
Okay, dry her off.
No.
And now see if you can dress her.
Okay, so we gotta wait. Here's her wet hair. This is her real hair. This is the wig.
What's her hair smell like?
Mine smell like cherry.
What's yours smell like, Gigi?
Pizza.
Pizza?
Can I smell yours? Can I smell yours? Yummy.
It looks like Roxy, you got Taco Girl, and Gigi, you got Pizza Girl.
What do you need help with?
No.
Let's go ahead and get them dressed.
I like her new shoes.
There you go.
Whoa, those are beautiful shoes.
I wish I had a pizza one too.
Okay.
Can we order me one?
Sure.
And go to. Hello there.
All right, let me see her.
Put it
Show her
up
the
her
camera. We have Taco Girl.
What's I want you to look up
Is
her
that
name.
everything?
Yeah. I want you to look up her name, please, Mommy. So I know. Please look up her name.
Okay, I will look.
And look at my name, too. Here, do you want me to help you? Oh, you put the skirt first. Oh. And then the shoes? Yep. I did my skirt first and then the shoes. Oh. Well, I did my wig also and then the skirt, too. This is cool. The really did that. Can you put a girl? Oh, yes, of course. I'll be have my little sister. I like my suits. I do. That one came with? Yep. I bought it with more. I bought it came with more. No, they just came with all that stuff. I bought them came with beautiful comb. They didn't do that. Oh, I bought. This is the real wig. This is not the wig. They call this the wig, but it's not the wig. It's not a wig. The real hair.
All right, let me. Oh, put your shoes on and then we'll show them.
Let me weigh her down to put her shoes. Her shoe came off. This is cute. Hey, these are like the shoes we have for my Barbie. My Barbie. One of my Barbies. Hi. Can you see her? This is her skin. And two shoes.
All right, show her to the camera.
Hi.
Whoa.
Look at my hair.
Beautiful dolls and beautiful girls.
Let me tell you which one is the oldest. It's her. No, mine is old too, like you. How about both of them are oldest? Yeah. Dancing with my new children. Thanks for watching. See you my first